go, that's another job where basically the conservatory roof is bolted on every clean. The windows are done once a quarter, 4 times a year, and the roof every time. Bumps up the revenue, increase your profit. Right, so what I'm doing now is there's a couple of solar panels up here. I've actually bolted them on as well, so I'm going to blast out these solar panels that are a bit minging. So it's this conservatory roof that's been done, and the windows and frames that are done every time. And now I've just bolted on these 2 solar panels here. It's a little flat roof here, ladder up onto it, no great dramas. Right, just whack that up there for now. So what I'll do is I'll just secure the microbore so it's not pulling on the pole when I'm trying to wash. So I normally just wedge it behind the ladder mitts. Here we go, it's my connector, my hose. Whack it there, it stays there. Don't restrict you. And also, you'll see here, obviously the angle of the brush head, it's straight down. It's literally 90 degrees, the gooseneck, the angle crank I've adjusted up so it's straight down and not slightly, you know, when your window wash, it's a much more shallower angle. When I'm doing a roof or panels, I always put it down about 90 degrees. I don't know, it tends to get more bristles onto the surface you're trying to clean. So here's my panels I'm washing. And as you can see, they're pretty grubby. Haven't been done for, believe it or not, this job is quarterly, but these panels were probably done only 6 months ago. So you can see, because of the woodland location, how grimy they get with algae. And you can see because of the angle of the brush head, I've got it at 90 degrees now, see that? It's coming straight down onto the panels. It seems to get into the dirt. The angle of it is much more favourable for washing panels and roofs. You see that? Look, it's cutting right through that. That's a fantastic before and after there, isn't it? You know, I'll do a line here. I mean, check that. That's fantastic, isn't it? You know, your before and after on one panel. God, I bloody love my job. Right, calm yourself, Willie. It's Friday afternoon. You've had about 4 espressos and you're proper on one mush. Look at that. Brilliant. Right, let's give this one a quick blast. There we go, that's my solar panels done. We windows and frames, my conservatory roof. 3 hours, 150 quid. That's the power of bolting on your extras all the time. Bump up your revenue, one, make some dough. Anyway, it's Friday, pack up, chill out, go and get my hair cut. I'll see you next week.